So guys, welcome to Harris Aviation Solutions Philippines. So tingnan natin ano nga bang meron dun sa loob at mas kilalanin natin sila, saan nga ba sila nagsimula. Tara!
Nagtataka ba kayo kung anong meron sa loob ng kanilang showroom? Pagpasok nyo pa lang ay makikita nyo na ang mga naggagandahang mga display na akala mo ay ikaw nasa isang aviation museum. Dami mong makikitang bag, t-shirt, pati mga headset at kung ano-ano pa. Pwede mong hawakan at itry ang lahat ng gamit dito. Kaya kung ikaw ay malapit lang naman sa Parañaque, pwede kang dumaan dito. Dahil sigurado sa dami ng items na kanilang binebenta, may mabibili at mabibili kayo. Pero paano nga ba nagsimula ang business na ito? Tara! Alamin natin kasama ang may-ari na si Cap Harris.
Started this business way back 2019. We have an office in Pasig. But before that, about the pilot supplies, we started muna yung mga aircraft parts. And then we find out na yung demand sa pilot supplies, we include it in our product lines. That's where we started. And then way back to 2020, we transfer here in Parañaque to expand our office and to have a showroom, especially for the pilot supplies. Have all the necessaries pilot needs, no, from the basic to advanced, from books and everything like bags and even the yung mga GPS, radios, and especially headsets. We have all those brands and models of headsets. We also do accept pre-orders for some other products for pilot supplies. And we also recommending some aviation supplies, like for example in headsets, if kung saan let's say for the pilot students, kung saan pasok yung budget niya, and then ano yung needs niya, no, specifically, no. So we help them to suit para dun sa needs nila. That's why we decided to have a showroom, no, so para lahat ng mga needs nyo pwede nyo makita. You can compare, you can check, you can even try, no, you can even try the headsets kung saan kayo comfortable, saan yung talagang mag-fit sa gusto nyo. So that's it.
O ano guys, na-amaze na ba kayo? Sabi sa inyo daming pwedeng makita at mabili dito. Isa pa sa nakakatuwa sa kanila ay pagpasok mo pa lang ay sasalubungin ka na agad ng kanilang sales and marketing na si Sir Reka. For sure, matutulungan nila kayo sa inyong mga katanungan sa pagpili ng mga accessories o kaya naman mga gamit sa training. Dahil mismong si Sir Reka at si Sir Harris ay mga piloto. At dahil sa kanilang kaalaman sa aviation, siguradong tama ang mabibili nyo. Guys, tanungin din natin si Cap Harris, paano nga ba siya nag-umpisa sa kanyang aviation journey? Cap, paano nga ba?
I started the journey as a aviator. No, actually, hindi alam ng iba. It's third generation for the aviation industry, since my grandpa is also a pilot, and then my father also a pilot. So, of course, kinontinue ko yung steps nila. My grandfather is an airline pilot also from Pan Am and Philippine Airlines, and we started also a charter company and a flight school also before, but I decided to separate to have my own business. This is the Harris Aviation, and actually we have other companies also starting today. So that's where it all started. No, so I start my degree in PATS, College of Aeronautics. I started as aircraft maintenance, and then I graduated I think 2000, and then again nag-aral uli ako as airline business administration sa PATS, and then on my last sem I started my flying course in one of the flight school here in the Philippines. Yun na nga, hanggang sa fast forward 2018-2019. Back and forth kasi ako mga during 2013, 14, 15 ganyan sa States. Mahilig kasi ako pumunta sa mga pilot supplies. So, and then aircraft parts. So, it inspired me na wala to sa Pilipinas meron doon pero medyo maliliit lang, ganyan. Why hindi ko i-try na magtayo din sa Philippines. Started muna sa mga aircraft parts, yung medyo di na tayo lumilipad. So sabi ko, it's time na siguro talaga mag-set up na ng pilot supply. And then 2020, gusto ko may showroom na. Kasi na-inspired ako dun sa mga pilot supplies shop sa States. So sabi ko, ba't hindi natin na lang dalhin dito para hindi na nila kailangan mag-order pa abroad. So, and then I want to make it more easier sa mga pilot students and other pilots na makita na nila, no? Lahat na dito na lahat from basic, from start ng pagiging piloto hanggang sa naging piloto na lahat. So everything from private student to airline, at least kompleto tayo. You know, maybe good thing also maybe in the future or maybe within this year or next year, we might also expand again, no, for a bigger shop and bigger showroom. So because yung demand talagang tumatakas. Actually this year we almost doubled, no.
Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng aviation journey ni Sir Haris. From being a pilot to store owner with the goal in mind to help and inspire aspiring pilots as well as aviation enthusiasts and professionals. Alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang, dapat talaga mabisita nyo din tong showroom na to kasi ang ganda, para ka talagang yung mga nakikita ko sa YouTube na showroom sa US. Pero alam ko yung nasa isip nyo ngayon, yung mga what if nyo. Lalo na kung iniisip nyo na mahirap maghanap ng repair shop dahil nga paano kung may masira or may mangyari dun sa mga nabili nyo? Kasi nga, di ba, gaya ng sabi ni Cap, imported yung mga gamit dito. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi nga Haris Aviation got you covered. Di ba, Cap?
We offer some warranties and repairs even sa headsets, no. So hindi na kailangan ng client na ipagawa sa labas. We can do repairs or we can be the one who will send it if hindi natin kaya sa mga manufacturer for their warranty. We can send it, but mostly naman we do repairs lahat talaga ng headsets. So walang problema sa after sales, and we can support them if they need some other helps.
So what are your advices kaya Kap to those people are considering to start their aviation journey?
Aviation journey. So it all depends on your, syempre, in your dreams, no? But if you really like to be an aviator in general, as a mechanic, because I'm also an aircraft mechanic, I'm also an aircraft dispatcher, and as a pilot also. Just don't give up with your dreams. No, depende na lang yan. So sometimes there's a lot of challenges in life, but if it's you really like and you really love, your passion to be an aviator, just push it to the limit. Marami naman dyan na opportunities opportunities coming in, so anytime, so just grab it if there's some opportunities and don't give up, no. Hindi naman maraming challenges naman, it's in everywhere naman, so just push it to the limit and don't give up, yun lang naman. And then get some inspiration from other people, no, if get all the good ideas and positive thoughts and everything. So yun lang yun, no? Just positive lang.
Positive.
Positive lang. Kasi yung naman yung challenges nandiyan naman talaga. So it's part of our life. So don't mind it, just push it. Ganun lang. Yan lang.
So invite niyo sila dito pumunta.
Yes.
Pwede ba sila pumunta dito?
Anytime. Yeah. Hi everyone. So I'm inviting you all guys to visit our store. We are open from Monday to Sunday from 8 o'clock to 5:30. Anytime, or you can also contact us on our Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So if you need anything, just call us anytime and come and visit. So thank you.
Gaya nga ng sabi ni Cap Haris, guys, at paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo noon pa na don't give up on your dream. So kaya nyo yan. Hindi totoong hanggang dyan ka na lang, marami ka pang mararating. Di ba, Cap Haris?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
So yun lang. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Also, follow Haris Aviation on their social media accounts. I'll put the link in the description box below. So see you. Bye!
Bye!